guys back. So I am finished. This is the final product of the hair, and once again this is the Model Glance Braid 2x Passion Twist in 14 inches in the color T350. So yeah, I decided to add little hair jewelry and accents and beads and whatnot, different color beads. And you guys, this hair is so pretty to me. It looks very tropical, so this could be vacation hair or any of the day of the week hair. But yeah, so all in all I used 8.5 packs. I purchased 9 packs. The first time I bought 7 packs, and then I realized like the braids is kind of small, so I went and bought 2 more packs because I like full hair. So 8.5 packs total. If you have a smaller size head than me, then I would say 7. You can get away with 7, but I would definitely purchase 8 to 9 packs if you're going to use this hair. And the color is kind of like a copper color. Like you can see the copper really well at the ends. It's like a ombre brown mixed with like copper. So yeah, the 7 packs I got at one beauty supply store, and it ran me $7.99, and then the last 2 packs that I purchased ran me $8.99 a pack. So I spent quite some money getting this hair. So it's I don't know, maybe you can find it online cheaper, but this hair was a little pricey to me, but they are braids, so I don't know. You can wear this hair for a month and a half, however long you want to. But yeah, you guys, I really like this hair, and if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.